Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You must start by securing the right to modify the footage. Otherwise, you risk copyright violations. Once you confirm permission, obtain the original, high-resolution source file because editing from a derivation reduces quality and creates legal ambiguity. Make sure to document permissions in writing. That protects you later. If a license is required, negotiate terms or purchase a watermark-free master. You'll avoid the need to remove marks when you simply work from licensed or original media. If you can't get permission to alter a watermarked file, pursue lawful alternatives. Request a watermark-free master from the rights holder. Many providers deliver one after payment or agreement. Alternatively, source license stock clips or Creative Commons Zero media that allow modification. This keeps your workflow clean and compliant. Once done, consider recreating the content yourself. A short reshoot can match the original look without legal risk. These options preserve quality and avoid removing identifying marks unlawfully. Finish by applying any contractual requirements. Add credits, retain license metadata, and export from the authorized master. Make sure to save permission letters and receipts in case questions arise. If you hit a roadblock, for example, permission is denied, don't attempt to remove the watermark. Instead, recut the piece, reshoot a short segment, or replace the segment with a licensed substitute. Troubleshooting tip: if quality drops, return to the original source, or request a higher resolution licensed file from the owner.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.